You see it? So I want to find out if this is a match, okay? Is this a match for you?
Yeah.
All right. Is this a match for you?
Then we rushed into Kingston, my husband and I, and Dr. Da Costa opened his office at about 8 p.m. Well, it's too late. I bled it out on stage.
Yeah. Max coming down to Berry here, and welcome to the Wednesday edition of the social media countdown. Now today, on a Wednesday, I normally give you 5 topics, but you see, because I like you so much, I get 7 topics today. All right, we have a little things, CXC results is out. We have one little Twitter mix-up for jumping, and all kind of little story that is happening about the place. So sit back, relax, and let's get into today's social media countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 7, CXC out. All right, Burritos, so I forgot to say congratulations to all of the persons who were successful at their CXC exams. I know the parents, them probably walk around and show off and brag about them kids' results, because you know what? They have been working to pick them a work hard, even though they spend a lot of time on social media. No matter wonder, Lord of mercy, are they going to get some good results? And so, based on what I have been seeing, a lot of people are very pleased with the outcome of their results this year. And let me just say this to the parents and the grandparents, and stuff, and the big brothers and such. If your friend, your family member, your daughter, your son did not get the sort of results that you were expecting, anticipating, that don't mean say you must make them feel like them across his walk list and them not have nothing for offer to the world. They will find their blessing later in life, because all of people do CXA and only come out with 2 or 3 subjects. That is later on in life they actually got into a lane where it really showed off all their talents and their brilliance. So just give them some time and they will find the moment that is right for them. That is what I have to say. But enough of that now. Let's talk about the Gaza results. Right? And so the results are in. And so both Sean Storm and Vybz Kartel are gleaming, because their daughters did pretty well, very well at the CXC examinations. Yeah, man, 2024. So let me just go and give you what Kartel's daughter got. All right? Those here. So Adiana did, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 subjects, that? 7 subjects that are 8. English A and English B are what? Literature and so? English B are literature, right? English A are the regular English. All right. So in a biology, she got a 1. Chemistry, 1. English A, general 1. General English B, 1. Information technology, 1. Mathematics 2. Physics, 2. And social studies, 1. Oh, God, man, round of applause, man. Round of applause. That is it. That's it. That is it. And the fact that you get 2 in a maths now, because you know, like the maths now, so I tell you, usually, you see when you're very good at English, the maths are normally so good enough. So if she balance out the maths and I get a 2 with it. And so now I'm going to look at the, let me go and look at what Sean Storm's daughter got, right? Wait, so in a Caribbean history, she got a 1, electronic document and preparation and management general 1, English A 1, English B 2, family and resource management 1, French, how about that? IV a 4? A 4? Oh, she failed French. Me not wrong if you fail the French, yeah, after I go on to Paris Olympics, you wanna really I deal with them right now. So you're very, very on brand for failing French. Integrated science 2, mathematics 2, office administration general 1, social studies 1. And then he put out the results with the caption, "Me love fi Kashwana Records one more." Our name is Kwashwana. Kwashana. Kwashana, okay, but him used because him name him record label after him daughter. Okay. So him say, me love for Kwashana one more time. Oh God, me proud. So what you pre now? 6 1s, 3 2s, and 1 4. Oh, you don't speak French in Jamaica, so me no watch the 4 day. Me glad boss, bag boss. Laughing emoji. Oh God, man, yeah, man, I'm proud of the 2 girls them. And at the end of the day, like I see a lot of people talking about, oh, yes, he said the dancehall not really trouble them because look how them pitting come out to all of the, get them good grades there. And I'm like, is this really shocking? Remember, as much as all them are dancehall artists, they also have resources to send their kids the best. To the best of schools. And one of the things that we normally like, is that you see the parents, them go on the most outrageous, cantankerous, and when they have money and span a level, them pitney, nothing like them. The pitney don't want to be nothing like them. Majority of the time, let me just say majority of the time, the pitney don't want to be nothing like them. Them could have been thief, the pitney want to turn doctor. Them could have whoring, the pitney want to turn praise and worship leader. It's the most fascinating thing. I just love to see it. All when they chat bad like, the pitney come out and speak like then them grow up on BBC. I just saw it go. Okay. And so the other part of it is just like, dancehall artists, their kids have better access to resources, to better training, better, like book technology. They have all of that access because I like them broke and paparazzi. They do have that access. And me for a single the girls them, like girls tend to perform better at school, especially at that, you look at the university level, women tend to dominate more. And so it's not very surprising. I would love to see they do the same thing with their sons because sadly in a Jamaica, and especially in dancehall space, it's almost seen as education is a female trait and to be educated is something that a woman's supposed to do. So while the son can mimic their dancehall artists, fathers and parents and kind of just not really focus on nothing, the girl have to be the type of girl where, yeah man, if you are my daughter, you better, yeah man, you can't behave like the woman them in my music video. You have to, yeah man. But the son, yeah man, you can't take off of me, That's how the dancehall streets, that's how the principles go. So let me know, burritos, how are you feeling in this moment, and hearing all of the results from your friends and family? Sound off below. Number 6, Macka Grammy, me money yo. Alright, so Macka Diamond is very, very happy now after being awarded for her contribution. She getting her Grammy certificate for her contribution. And so let me just not say anything any further. Go and go take a listen.
Well, I'm very proud of myself. And as you always say, I am the diamond of dancehall. Why you give me that name? So right now, the diamond of dancehall, this is more to come. Diamonds are forever. I know some still got it. So big up to Back to the Future and everybody in the music business because what made me say I have the talent and they have given me a chance to become the superstar that I am.
That is it, Macka Diamond. That is it. So congratulations, Macka Diamond. Keep striving and hopefully you can join the category of Lady Saw and Coffee, Sean Paul, Shaggy, and be a part of that Grammy Award winning group. Alright, burritos know some promo time. So this is for all the people who want job opportunities in Canada. Let me just go and give you the rundown. So this is for Class 1 long haul truck drivers. Make sure say you reach the YGR Education and Immigration Expo 2024. Where will it be held? It will be held on the 23rd of August 2024, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the AC Hotel in Kingston, Jamaica. And by the way, pre-registration is mandatory, it's necessary. You have to go and do it. So if you want more information, go ahead and follow them on Instagram at YGR_IS. All right? Number 5, Shen Wild Out. Miss Shen. Alright, burritos. So dancehall artist Shen. Oh, should I still call it? But if you stop calling dancehall artist to the girls, you should part dancehall. So international pop artist Shenseea was recently on Nick Cannon's Wild and Out. And no, she's not the first Jamaican. We remember at some point ago, Coffee also joined that stage. And so Shenseea is the latest one. And Shenseea decided to bring that island girl flavor. And just check out how she did during this freestyle against Nick Canon.
Shenseea, who got the keys to my Beamer? You and I can make a baby in the backseat. You and I can make a baby in the backseat. You and I can make a baby in the backseat.
I know having all them kids was like you low on your break. So have you ever thought about just give it? But Nick, you can't get my boom boom.
That is it, Shenseea. I'm like, say I bring out, your lyrical play and your wittiness and stuff on the stage. But please, me, I beg you, Shenseea, be careful. You know how Nick Canon stay. You know him know so you have a son, Rajero, so him know so you're fertile. Don't make the man look at you and blink in your face too often because you know what will result. Okay? Alright. Jaja. Where's your sing, bo? The tight and the clean, so the fresh. Put him in the flat full of fresh. Oh God, alright. Number 4, balloon love. Alright, burritos know, so I don't know if you know under Iraq, you don't know, say Jamaica took over the whole Pop the Balloon videos. And so Rolling So Easy recently did a Pop the Balloon, and I think this was in Mandeville. Now, this video has over 400,000 views on YouTube, and people can't get enough of it. And especially 2 of the individuals, a young lady by the name of Carly, also known as Barber Girl, and a young man, upcoming dancehall artist by the name of Swizz. People very much liked their interaction. Go and go check it out.
What's the question for him?
Where do you see yourself next 5 years from now?
Next 5 years,
Yeah.
married, have children, a successful business.
That's it? That's it?
You're a teacher? You're a teacher? What do you do for a living?
Music.
Oh,
I have a degree in teaching, but music.
okay. I can ask one more question.
Alright,
What
one.
are you doing in your spare time?
Spirit time, write song, write poem, just basically writing. Play a game,
You have one more question?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
Do you smoke?
occasionally.
Weed? Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so what I want you to do now, pop 1 male balloon. This one answer them what you get. That you're not feeling. Who it's gonna be? You have the pick, right? Who it's gonna be? Alright. What we're gonna do now, you're gonna ask a question. We're gonna see if it's a match or not, okay? Now what's the question?
Have any children?
No, I don't have kids.
What's your perspective on the lifestyle of an artist?
Well, I mean, you got to do what you have to do if that's what you like. And you know the lifestyle of the artist, for girls. But I can't judge everybody because everybody's different. But I mean,
As in, can you manage the attention that it attracts? Be honest.
yeah,
Sure.
yeah,
Yeah?
Can cook?
yeah. I'm a chef.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, hear that?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we want to find out. The question them sound intense while ago, you know. You see it? So we want to find out if this is a match, okay? Is this a match for you?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright. Is this a match for you?
Sorry, like.
Yeah, man, and so them do the video and never really decide to go and match. Them did narrow it down to just the 2 of them and them never match. The youth pop the balloon because Baba Girl decided to run. She decided to run because, well, not she, him decided to run. Because she never make up her mind if she really didn't want to commit to him. And so they discussed that them can take things off air. And that's exactly what they have been doing. They have been getting very close. And people are very much here for it. Take a look.
We have another side right here with special edition art. Check out that one right there. That one was only available in the last pack.
Guys, you know, stop it.
That one was super special. Only 1,000 of them. So
This is my customer
really small.
that I met on the Pop Balloon Challenge.
How to change colors.
This is the only person that comes to support me from the Pop Balloon Challenge.
TikTok
take it, but I don't want to. But I want to drink off your mouth. I don't want to drink off your mouth. Take it. I don't want it. I can't drink off your mouth. Here, take it.
I want the tip of hard fire.
It's going to be nasty because remember, you're my cousin, right?
You know what I mean?
You're my cousin. I can't drink off your mouth. You don't think I'm not your cousin. Hold it.
I know what it works.
She's so childish. Right.
You know what I'm saying?
No. You think I'm an idiot?
Guys, so all on the thing, sugar. But also watch you pop the balloon.
They think we're asshole because we're outside happy as a frig and you're inside in your bed.
Alright, Burritos, so yeah man. So you have this dancehall artist, you have this girl should have microblading and microblading or microbreeding should trim the youth them and them something they know and them a flirt, them a do little things to the public and I'm just wanting to know, is it real? Is it Ripley's believe it or not? What una say Burritos, una think it real or they just do it for the media? Sound off below. Oh good. They can't run. I say they can't run. I do tight they can't run. I say, yeah man, that you sing the song, their song, but.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Jump over bad energy. Miss me with the negativity. I saw me sight after the liberty. Me jump up in the prosperity. Duck, side, skip to the left, that them on the right. Duck.
Number 3, Angel meets Roger Wilde. Our Burritos know, so this is the pair that I never saw really linking up. Roger Wilde and the Angel. Check out how the interaction went.
Roger Wilde, one spin down. Jonathan Grant, I graduated 6 months ago. Right outside. One Angel. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. We're going to do it official and make it happen. Outside. Remember something named Angel and him says, yeah, one Angel. You understand? So we're going to fix this.
No, one thing with the Angel, no, the Angel is going to look good. The Angel is like, boy, your boy, even for that worst day, she just can't help herself but look good. Like, Angel is just growing and evolving nicely. And Roger look like him, did really like him, but I risk it for piece of the biscuit. Yeah, man. Him never business, do him did I look my Angel like him, never mind take up let me shut my mouth, let me shut my mouth. Because if me didn't go say, me need to say a while ago. Let me Mary, that's it. Big up yourself, the Angel. Big up yourself, Roger Wilde. Number 2, wife mate clash. Me mix up. Alright, Burritos know. So I do not know what is going on in these uptown streets. But like, it's just like mix up for days. And so now this involves like a wifey versus her mate. And it all took place on Twitter. So let me just go run it for you. All right, so on Twitter, there's a woman by the name of Kiz_InStyle. And she decided to post up, you know, this birthday picture and, you know, just kind of thanking for life and all of that. So she says, cheers to another year of love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Here's to celebrating life and all its beautiful colors. Here's to celebrating me. And you see her pose up there, her ear, the back of her neck and all of that. And she, you know, she show a little treat and all of that. It looks nice. It looks lovely. Very demure, very mindful, very thoughtful. Oh, God, I thought I was going to stop saying that. But that was the vibe. But then right after that, no, it looked like somebody intervened, catch the pre, and she goes by the name of Tantan M16. So, you know, she appear shut down a fire. So she jumps in and says, well, I'm going to give the woman the voice there. You need to find a man and leave people husband alone with the crotches where my husband Greg says smell like bad dirty gal. Wait, what? Oh no, wifey pull up on the block and I'm gonna make the mate know say our crotches smell like dirty gal. So you have good dirty gal, cause she said bad dirty gal. Boy, add insult to injury. So then now, when Kiz catch the pre now, Kiz clap back on Twitter and said, which husband could I never? This one. Laughing emoji, ha 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 ha. And when that happened now, she posted up with a video with the man, I kiss her on her cheek, what is, per roadside, multiple kisses, you know. Watch that. Just a kiss with birthday, and me like, oh God. With the man send her a message with him, oh no, this messy. This messy, because this look like the man will fully own her up. So then now, after that now, Kiz went on to say, you don't want to do this, believe me. Find a man, girl, you're too funny. And you alone have man problem, not me. Never. Me walk and buck toe over man. Ask your husband, kiss me teeth, stupid. And she post that with screenshots of WhatsApp conversation. Okay, that said, with the man I say, I love that. You take bedroom serious. You believe in sexy and cuddle up, nice hygiene, candles. Wow. No, man. And Tantan M16 has not shot her. She not let go one more bullet after that because what she go say? All I know say the man the theme face I get nose, whatever go on. No, man. The house there, yeah, man. The house there, turmoil are going right now because she thinks she not come for the mate. I never know say the man that treat her like wife. Never know say the man that treat kids like the official wife. Like, Lord of mercy. I might tell her kids I get all Christmas. Kids might tell her get New Year's. All them look at something that Jesus pay him. He might tell her her kids got dream weekend and left she for do the chores them. This rough. Boy, your boy Tantan, you have to just go take a L right here. So, you know, unless you're going to clap back, start a YouTube channel and then drop your side of the story, you know, and then it's going to be a little toe-to-toe. But boy, kids, are you in the round here right there saying, you know, because Jaja, my word. Ah, God. Burritos, any sense, have you been the Tantan in a situation like this, or have you been the kids? Sound off below. And number one goes to... Oh, Jesus, no, this is embarrassing. Burritos. I know me, I keep it. Number one goes to, I'm sorry. Number one goes to Jenny Tells All. Oh, God, like, but then I forget it off. I'm just to see me. Oh, she got these things off of her chest in the interview with Alric. Okay, so my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Jenny, media personality on the Alric show. Yeah, man, my girl sit down there and she told her story in the true Jenny way, because she's always vocal. We know her as an energizer bunny, but like when you get these moments where she's able to just like talk from the heart, is when you see another side of Jennifer, right? And so recently, she was asked about the, what you want to call this, the feud that they had some time ago with Jenny, with her and Mackerel. Because if you don't know the backstory, Mackerel did do the whole thing. I talk about how she take girl man and Ray, and she go sleep with who she no business, and she go collect the money. And Jenny got wind of it, and in a video, kind of referred to her as, or what she's doing as prostitution. So essentially referring to her, you know, prostituting herself. Mackerel never take kind of to that, and so Mackerel did that done her and all of these things. And so Jenny, when asked about it, this is what she shared.
So there was a recent thing with Mackerel.
Okay.
Right? I don't recall you addressing it.
I didn't.
Why not? And what is it that you want to say no? Because you and I spoke about it.
Yes.
And I know you have good intentions.
Yes.
What was that one lesson you wanted her to take away
Wow,
from that?
no, I didn't want no one lesson. I wanted several lessons. I'm a mother and I'm a teacher, and I'm a woman who recognized that Mackerel is crying out for help, and people, Caesar's crowd, they were pulling her in the wrong direction. And Caesar's crowd said, "One Mackerel, get Jenny Mackerel, take a girl man Mackerel," and they're doing all this interview, and Mackerel said, "I take your man, I'm a second man, I'm worth a man, I'm like a good tight." And I'm like, but nobody's telling her that she's more than a vagina.
Yeah, man, and so now to take it a step further now, that seemed like, you know, that kind of park one side. But what many people didn't know about was that she actually suffered a miscarriage. And that happened while she was on the job. Now, imagine being pregnant and feeling that you have to have an ultimatum between this pregnancy and your profession. Listen to what she shared.
I had a time of my life which was the most painful day of my life. I've never shared it publicly. Sure I should tell you on the Alric show?
Let me hear it.
You sure?
Let me hear it.
I'm not sure if I should tell you though. Should I tell you? All right, so when I'm doing an outside broadcast, when I just started to try, and this is age 35, 36, and I'm pregnant. So I'm on an outside broadcast in Mandeville, Manchester, to be interesting. And I decide to go urinate at the police station, big up to the Mandeville police station. And I have energy, so I'm gonna climb a wall. It's a low wall. It is, I'm still seeing the wall. And I put my foot over that wall, and then I started to bleed. I'm on an outside broadcast. I can't say, okay, listeners, I wanna come back to you. So I rush across and did what I have to do at the police station, try and put some protection on. Then I call Dr. DaCosta and I say, I'm bleeding. And he says, you gotta run back to Kingston. I'm not crying on this show. And I was also booked to do the show, to MC the show after I'm done broadcasting. And I said, Dr. DaCosta, I can't come into Kingston because I have the show. The crowd is here. It's rammed in this park in Mandeville Greens. And he says, but you're losing the child. And I said, but I have to stay because I have a broadcast to finish and I have a crowd that's waiting for me to hit the stage. And Alaric, I finished the broadcast bleeding. I did that show on stage, bleeding. I finished the show. And then we rushed into Kingston, my husband and I, and Dr. DaCosta opened his office at about 8 p.m. Well, it's too late. I bled it out on stage. That was the most painful day of my life. So find a good doctor. Because Dr. DaCosta understood what was happening and he's just never left me and never let go. And so when I have my daughter Carissa, who's 8 years old now, she's my pride and my joy.
No, man, oh wow. That definitely a very heartfelt story, very sad. Sure, it's very relatable. Because a lot of times I'm pretty sure that women and people in general are put into positions where they really have to choose between how they make a living and what is good for their health. And so, boy, I've seen many people, talking and say she should have never made that decision, but you just don't know. Sometimes you don't understand the severity of what is going on. You think you're stronger, you think you're able to endure, and life would really just give you a humbling pill that make you have to be like, oh wow, well, I guess I assessed the situation wrong. So it's very brave of you, Jenny, for sharing your story. I know it's going to help many women to make better decisions as it relates to their health. And so it's a win in terms of the advocacy and awareness. So burritos, let me know what you thought of Jenny sharing her story. Sound off below. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure you say you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, all of that. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Once you've done so, follow me on all my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Bye-bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.